The first one will never know where they're at. Okay, we have to go, so bye-bye. We better go before it changes its mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go, go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. I'll do it again. Help out. Oh, pilots? Autopilot engaged. Oh, gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Now let's go get that coaxium. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance are ready, maybe a bit something for Otto. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Harpoons, quickly! You're running out of time! Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Yes, Julie will pilot let us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Woo! Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Alright, you heard Honda. We have all your belongings. Alright, so the fire, my friend.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.